Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Dream. Well. Talpi.
One Talpi, you know, straight.
See it there.
Cool, man. They are going to do something for up there. Straight there, no?
Mother Theresa.
Mother Theresa.
So the strength is there.
Yeah.
And we give thanks. Ah.
Up there.
Oh. Well, Mother Theresa.
I all of my extended family, see me I get some help. Give God thanks to all of who will help me and who no come on board it.
So this is it. This is it.
That one I talk about.
Great come on,
Well, look like there's a vision now. Like there's a plan. Can't see clear now. Can't see clear. Baja, what we have here?
Well, as you can say, the first half, I mean, just block up some walls, so the vision never did there. The plan or anything or design wasn't there. So what we are doing now, we are putting some column alongside here. So what we are going to do, we are going to slab it to bring it back to the level of the house. Have everything from one level, and the entrance there, so now we have a staircase from this to come up in the house.
Okay.
The landing.
Okay.
And then from up here, so now we are going to do everything we are doing. So the slab will come right across back on the wall here.
Okay.
And this wall will go up, so the whole entire thing will be the house. So here, so now going to be a passage. We take in the section in the house, in the living room, kitchen, and room and bathroom where you want.
Okay.
So we are putting this column
now.
We slab it and them thing there.
So how much column you put in here? How much column you put in?
Alright, for now we are putting some 10-inch column. Take the slab in and column out there. So one column will go there here, so one column will go there alongside this wall. Every 10 feet
is a column.
We are going to put a column. And then we put a belt across it when we are do the slabbing. And a belt will go across here from them column here. Across. Now the wall with them, the existing wall with them had put up already, them just run up some wall.
Never so no idea.
No idea never did it. Them just bring up 4 walls without a plan. So we have to dig out the wall and down with some steel to take the slab. So see the level of the house there, sir.
Right there,
sir. Yeah, so this is the level. So the level going to be everything out upon one level.
Okay, I see
then
now.
the gateway they say now, they say you have to take the staircase and the door over there right there, so it's on the landing. Come inside of the house.
Well, now I see.
Yeah, you know?
Now I see, I understand.
So, a clear vision there, you know?
Yeah, a clear vision, because we don't really have the idea.
No, the idea never did.
I mean, a lot of view are the concern and say, but we don't really see the idea, the plan, but no.
So the toilet way down here, so all of that will go abandoned. It will go there up here.
Up here, so?
Yeah,
okay.
You can't come outside the house and step out and come out and you have views of it.
No.
So that never really make no sense. They say everything then up on top. One roof.
Yeah.
So basically you should have a basement on here, sir.
A cellar.
Yeah. So here now we want to put a little gate here because when you take the staircase, if you come all the way around here, so it's going to pose a problem. So we're going to have a little metal gate here, so you can lock inside whenever time she want to use up underneath there.
Yeah, she can.
Sell apart, she can exit
and come
from here.
Make a lot of sense.
Yeah, you know?
Make a lot of sense.
Man. And So it really have a plan now, you know?
Yeah. See there, I will give thanks, and we like the support again from the members and giving us strength. You know, because we are a team. You know, sometimes that's how we have to do things and make it work, you know. Out of the best interests of no says togetherness.
Can't see one of we are struggling, you know.
No.
Share the view, you know.
Yeah, I could have one or two.
I say something, you know.
Could have one or two. We give thanks. I will give thanks for the strength.
Basically, the way that happens is that the people them will come, them never come with the ideas, and she herself never really have the idea. I say she want this done, and them come now and from she say we just want some black, them just run up some black. But them never have a clear vision and never ever try to say alright, what we want and we can't go that way there.
Sure.
But it take dream team to come
and make it
and inside the vision, and so it work now.
So imagine she would have spent up all her money
and then go to waste.
And go to waste.
And them thing there.
Knowing that she don't know where that got
you know.
So I say we have to give thanks here, because we really do make a difference in each other's life.
True.
You know, and that's why we really
Alright, Baja, vision are inside, the camera up and running again. We're hot, so we change. So yeah, so as I said, the vision is there. And now we see the idea. And now we have something to work towards.
True.
So we give thanks, you know what I mean? So liquor by liquor, as she name liquor. So it's a liquor by liquor, you know.
Liquor make a muck.
Yeah. By the hands of the Almighty, it will definitely reach where it's supposed to reach. So in time, and we have to give thanks to our extended family. You know, we put out the strength. You know, they never turn a blind eye on each one of us. So we're thankful for them seeing me, and we're thankful for this journey that we're on, because we all have to serve a purpose. We have to look into the purpose what we have. You know, we have to be a giver. You know, or we have to show the love, because that's the only thing that made up this world is the love. You know, and I always said the marathon is very long. You know, and then you will know that with love, it will definitely continue. You know, because giving love is a lifetime thing. You know, living your purpose. Living your purpose is a lifetime thing. So giving us strength now and then helps out with the universe, because at least it dedicate love. You know, so we have to keep on dedicating, and we have to be an example, you know, for the people of Trenchtown. Because I can see how the community have ups and downs, but we try to look on the positive side. Because it's more positive, it's better. You know, and the mentality have to change in our way. You know, which is the people have to change it themselves. Because sometimes with the laws work of attraction, you know, is where you think sometimes, and keep on coming back. So sometimes maybe there's too much negative thinking going on. So it keep on come back. So me always advise people, say, yo, let's think positive, because you never know what can come back to you. You know, so just keep that focus there, you know, bring the positiveness, you know, because people say, yo, the community poor, if you keep on saying
that, you don't understand, as I said, that's the same thing I said to a virgin the other day, say, you have certain artists and people upon this thing, them always pray for doom and gloom. Them never look on the positive side, try to put the positive out and preach positiveness. Say, boy, this is going to happen and this can change. Them always complain and say, this happened. It already happened.
It has already happened, because
just look on the things ahead to make it better, to change it.
Yes.
You understand? So we always
that's what I manifest. You know, that's why when people wonder why things happen for that person than a person, because they might think good thoughts. When they think good will happen. You know, so I'm not gonna say it's easy.
No,
it's a very hard task. Because when you have thoughts around your mind of all different things, especially when you see the situation, you can change it. You know, but you have to just believe in a change. That's why it comes with faith. You know, faith go a long way. You know,
if you believe it won't happen.
Exactly. But everything can change, and it will change, you know, by just change your mindset. That's all it takes, you know. Because if you're doing bad, it's only bad things can come back to you. So if you're doing good,
it's a marathon, and a lot of us get impatient. When them see things not happen as fast as how them expect it. Then them give up. Them start hold back, and then them last hope. Life is all about hope, brother. And once you have life, man,
there's hope.
Can make.
Because then again, now we have to look at it and say, because remember, you know, Jesus started out with 70 disciples, you know, until they end up with 12.
12, right.
You know, so sometimes when things happen, you cannot complain, because a man have to choose his destiny until he come to realization. You know, because after a long while, a man regret certain things, but you cannot live by regret. You know, but live by forgive or support someone. It's good when you give. You know, you might not see it come back to you in your way. You probably fall for your kids or something else. But think like that then, you know, it work. Because if I follow like discouragement, it'll make me stop come long time. You know, I'm not sure if I look on the negative side. We've been through the ups and downs, we've been through the downs, because I see a positive inside. So me try to change that mindset for myself. So no one say, yo, I have to push out and make Father God lead the way for me. You know, that's all me see. You know, and we are continuing the journey, same way.
With all doubts and the bad things we happen for that alone, we don't look bad and think bad. Then we don't give up. Then we don't give up already. Then we don't give up already. You understand?
And we can't do that, you know.
Can't do that.
Because a lot of people will get help.
They as a prime example, so we have to lead from in front.
That is
we can't be a follower, we have to be a leader. Regardless of the negativity around us and them things, it's only for a while.
Yes.
It will fade out.
It will. It will.
These things we are happy now, it's only a cycle, it will repeat itself. And I manifest it in a different form. In a modern time. And after we gone to, it's still going to continue. Because this world make up a good and bad.
Exactly. That's why I made the word negative and positive. So it have to take a negative, you know, or positive.
But look, on current itself, it work with a positive
and a negative.
It work with a negative. So life is all about that.
Yes, man, it is, man.
It's us, we choose our destiny and know what we want out of life and where we are at, brother.
Yes, I.
You understand? But most of us choose the bad things. Look at the negative side for bring down others, bring down themselves, bring down a community with them. When other issues is there for look at. A lot of people they here with your program, you highlight certain things inside of the community where it takes place. A lot of hungry people here.
True.
A lot of people are living in a condition where
it's unbelievable. It's surprising to know that people still
inside of the community who in position we can make that difference. I even point a finger to a direction to say, you know, so this is going and try to bring some stability in a people's life. It not happen. It take you to come and do it now and search out. And yet the good way I do the negative force I come at you. But as I say, you never choose this, Father God choose you.
So that's why we have to start from somewhere. And if you start from us, because from us as an example, we're going to be an example till the next generation will follow the example. You know, but remember you have to have a pure heart doing this. You know, because everything we call money, if you don't have a pure heart, you know, honesty is the wisdom. So if you don't have that, just trust me, it won't work. You need to have the honesty, it will bring you far away. Just don't think about what you can grab, because when you grab it, I got done the next day. You know, just think about the long term, just think about your future, the kids and where you can fall upon. Because remember, you know, when you do the wrong, you put out the karma is out there, because that's what you send out in the universe. So eventually it will fall back on somebody what you don't gonna like, who's gonna fall back on, you know. So we are continuing to do it, you know. I will give thanks to our extended family. We keep on fuel the engine. We could keep on make it happening, you know, because we couldn't do it without them. Because you not have it, me not have it, and Mother Theresa. So we don't need the help, see me. And together we all make the change, you know.
As I say, you know, Dream Team is a link, it's a chain link. And our links are important. Each and every one of us that is a part of the team is important. Some of us may push further than some, because some may not capable enough to do what others can do. But at the same time, with a little support and then present inside of the team, it gives us strength and it gives us energy and it encourages the other. So each and every one in Dream Team is a part of the link, and each and every one of us are important.
Of course.
So you have to look at it across the board. To say, family. A family will pray together, always stay together.
Yes, sir.
You understand? So treat us as a family.
Yeah, man. Love and love alone, man. Love and love alone, you know. So we give thanks, So we got to turn one attention a minute. So, you know, people just give me 1 sec. We'll be right back. Yes, well. Because I have a presentation to make. I would talk about it the other day, Baja.
Yeah.
You know, if you're going to make the world so I go on again. So you see, this go with the trade. And this go with the talent and the skills. See there again. I have to give thanks to our extended family.
Yeah.
You know, this name is not new to the program.
Right.
Now we see in the comment section. We have to give thanks to Molo from the USA. You know, providing Baja with this beautiful and this wonderful jewel. Oh, Baja, what is family? You know.
Yeah,
so that is from Molo.
Molo.
From the USA.
Molo from the USA.
Yeah.
Blessed
what next year. Yeah.
With this, it can make we achieve a lot. And this is just to go to show you what we was just talking about.
Yeah.
It's all about giving back and to show love and appreciation to each and every one of us. And you, as a prime example, by sending these tools, you never must have to do it. But once you see goodness, you're going to support and extend your love both to us, Trenchtown, because this is not just for me, but this is for Dream Team. This is for Trenchtown.
Same way.
Because if a person come and need a use, it's giving back same way. Them can get a use.
Same way.
If a team member need it to do something, it's there for them to use for them advantage. So we can't tell them much love, you know, because without tool, you know, the dream not work, you know. And you see with these tools,
see
I tell you, it make the thing
work
easier and work.
Yeah.
And boy, you can't tell them much love and thanks, you know. I love it to my heart, mind, body and soul. I'm well appreciate it. You understand? Because with this it can help me to even make the cash come in easier.
See
make my work easier and boy. Molo, heart of love, you know, brother.
Yeah man, it's a great strength.
I tell you, you know,
it's really a great
the family cross, Spanish Town, we're going to pick it up. And much love to him too, you know.
Yeah, because I'm saying general, you know.
Yeah, he was there to greet us, you know, with a white smile.
Yeah,
so him himself represent you well.
Yes.
By just give him that warm welcome, you know.
Yes.
And appreciation and say, boy, and watch the team and everything there. Why Molo, my love goes out here on behalf of Dream Team, Trenchtown, Kino and everybody, man. Much love and thanks, man. Extended family, large and
extend
broad.
right out.
Yeah, man.
Extend right out.
Yeah, man. Yeah, well charged.
Well charged.
Qualified energy.
Yeah.
Molo, big up yourself,
Big up yourself.
boss. I love it if you can't see me smile around me. Yeah, because I can't afford to buy this.
True.
It make it easier for me right now.
Yeah, true.
You know, I think about it to make the work easier. It's becoming more easier now.
More easier.
Yeah.
You know, so
love it,
it's a huge strength. I'm not lie, it's a huge strength.
I love it, brethren.
I will give thanks each time because it only can encourage us.
Yeah,
to know say yo, people liking what we're doing. Not even like love the goodness what we're doing. You know?
As me say every day, you know, it's not about the money, you know. These are the things that make me happy by just doing something back to the community that can put a smile on someone's face.
Yeah.
And whenever I can put a smile on somebody, feel appreciated. That gives me the courage to move forward. And for putting more. Now if cash and kind come in return, we appreciate it, but we are not here for that.
No.
We are here just to give back and to lend our support to the community, the people who need it most. Yeah, we may in a situation, but we may like fortunate and more privileged than them. You understand? We have our situation too. I mean, know Molo, you have your situation, but at the same time, you find it in your heart. To send a tool come give us to make the work even easier and encourage us to go forward more. Love my brethren.
Yeah man, Molo. Much love, Molo. We give thanks. We thank you so much, you know.
Out there.
Out there. Thank you so much, Molo. You know, it's a blessing. It's a huge blessing. Thank you for this kind
brand new, you know.
Wow, you don't see it, man. Spanking.
Brand new.
If you're manual and everything. And boy, I have to also thank Ambra Awards as well too. For the saw. You know. For all the table saw, you know, Ambra Awards, boy.
Cut some strip the other day and strip out the place, you know how much money it cost me.
Hey.
Expensive,
very
scarce. And we know that saw boy we couldn't get them stripped because we just buy the 2x4 now, we just rip them
and make it work.
Thing work.
Work.
Amber, respect and thanks here, sir.
Yeah,
and even the big box of tool we get, brethren.
Donovan.
Big up yourself. You know. It's broad and wide, you know, because that's where it starts, you know.
See you, yes.
I tell you.
See you,
and all the extended family will always support us and there for us. Even the thumbs up, you know. And if you look a comment on them things, the count, you know, because it only helps us to encourage. It don't have to be about money. It don't have to be about material things or anything. But just showing us love, keep us going and encourage us more. So continue to support us as we will stay here and continue to do our best to represent ourselves.
Same way.
Same way.
Blessed love. Blessed
love. Man.
Blessed love. Blessed love.
Brand new, spanking, Makita, brand.
Spanking.
No joke thing in there, you see it? Crystal bout in the seat, the badger.
See
you don't know, say the man I see we are going and see me I put in the work and see boy, me deserve it.
Of course.
You understand?
Of course.
Him see it.
Him see it.
And I'm sure it.
And there's more to come, you know, because what I say, it's a marathon.
Yeah.
And everything take time.
But they're here enough to do it, you know, through the end, you know.
Alright.
No,
and there's no end.
There's
no
end to it.
Everything is infinite.
As life itself goes on, it goes on the same way.
Infinite, you know, eternal.
Yeah.
So that is it, man.
I hate that.
Alright, we'll give thanks. Mother Theresa over there.
Yeah.
See the strength I give in.
Thank you, Molo, for the tool, I just sent you the dream tea, straight love.
So you see there?
Auntie, thank you very much. Start me and start me, see me and start me. Just give God thanks to everybody. Father God bless me and keep me. That's what you can do. Save me.
See you there.
And I thank Kino also for highlighting. Latisha, they are going to help me see me. She don't left you anywhere go. She always there.
Sure. So see that we give thanks. So we are swing the strength, see me from side to side. I don't know, Miss Dana project see me still there, but you still can't give Mother Theresa strength see me while we can. Because that's how we make it work, you know. We have to make it work that way. Yes, man. You know, so everything, I must say, a journey. So there's nothing to rush about. You know, everything is time. Right, Resort, baby?
Yeah, man. Molo, big up yourself and thanks again. I appreciate all that you're doing for the team. Good life, keep and guide and protect you all. Good man, never run down. Auntie, big up yourself, no say a word.
See you there.
Oliver and Carla, you don't know a thing about. Browning, church, all out the
Stop now.
Alright, never big up the two. I don't live with a couple. You see the welder coming from school and saying no that through the program. Big up on yourself. I don't know the name now, but I know yourself.
Yeah.
Good luck, keep and guide and protect me. One team,
Dream team.
only real team.
Only real team.
Stop man, big up yourself and your wife, you know. Still, they are saving me and go and go through. Just want to hold it for you. Pablo, just go and hold it, save me. All of the extended family, don't know. Father God just bless each and every one. Yeah, all our subscribers, when they say speed, same way. Yeah man, just go and watch the journey, because now I'm not stop, you know. If I'm not trench town, we are going far and far, same way.
Yes, that's what the laws of attraction will manifest, the goodness.
I'll come across this.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.